Okay, so on to dessert. So, followed down the kind of South American, Central American route. We have got some chocolate and hazelnut cigars. That's basically like a chocolate and hazelnut paste in some phyllo pastry. Then we have some sweet kind of queso fresco, which is like a creamy cheesy vibe. And then a lime and orange drizzle, some really nice cinnamon sugar, and some candied orange slices, which could be candied orange or candied lime, depending on where we get to. First things first, just going to warm our cigars up. So I'm going to ping that in there. We're on about 150, just a couple of minutes just to warm that up. So take our sweet cheesy goodness, get it on one side. Again. Just going to lean our cigar up against that. Take our little bit of candied orange. I'm just going to put that in there like that. And we're going to take our lime and orange syrup. And then, pretty sticky. Right there. Sprinkle this all over. A few lumpy bits in there, that's just the sugar, but don't worry.